adesua de eye eda obeja adesua no sada no you stop living na hade ya kacho senya ha so nkotoko wan eya adesua ene adwenkyere de adusui eya kokansie mu nkontabuo Star Ghana aso asinema ye de brawo Happy FM ne Ghana anti corruption coalition and account to my boy no de dwumadi ye brawo dwumadi afatu ye ho so ye bo ama ye revise the status of the Ghana Football Association a mandate of FIFA and the normalization committee of the Ghana Football Association Nyama mo de mo ye miensa mienu de yentimi mo wo we de ye betimi aboa wo mo and say ye bo ahwe bebi e betimi advice about the status of the FA ho a na we be make recommendations to the normalization committee enti mesre wa sawa dwinkyere bi afabre yen na what be na numnie de ahwe no the executive committee and right ye share the presidency ye beto so na dwumadie no so or recommendations of Fabre on 02022222067 and as for hashtag in the on social media hashtag in Kutabu you can kind media studio amount Facebook Happy 98.9 FM Instagram Happy 98.9 FM Twitter at Happy FM Ghana and also the website at www.happyghana.com yes our live our Facebook and as one TSS a standing committee sitting na e kwa kushia eye FA wa ho ni bibia simbi what me wo eye Prosper Harrison Ado Esqua e wo ha ye de dwumadie no e bro menka so Star Ghana e boy yen o e bo Star Ghana ne eye David Danida and a UKA e so masene o de dwumadie so e bre o ma pano kakra e de ma ye so ye de dwumadie e bre wo Prosper Bibi Abokode.
Pacho Bibi
Okay, say Mukushia Normalization Committee and then they 2 o'clock.
All right. And run notification by judicial bodies members name chairpersons any standing
committees last week executive committee who some to just say some mojam kwam from na moto so moto say hu dwuma ye na ye ntim say we are getting results nti ebebo pa na moko so bia besi bia na e ba be kwakasha ba jinchire mu wo ho anya wo
enu nyame dum
all right na bibia aboko de
bibia aboko
all right ye ko presidency ahun sem aba na e be hwe difference kakra wo between the MCO and the ESCO difference in power execution of power de on betimi de muntimi nye and me questions be 10 if our presidency no ho na he so betimi address am me a enti yenko na as time goes on eba maybe some question o ya no why
them say ya can ya na me say me recap kakra ya can judicial power legislative power congress in some afi ya can executive power executive committee nti executive committee in church mo no na ya chair say 22 ni nya executive committee member but the other name here president nti mrano a chair kakra wo president ni ejuma no senate here no enra ye ko mu church mu kakra obehun say emergency committee no nso ye committee bia every executive committee no say mrano senampia share mrano who share article 51 say there shall be an emergency committee to take decisions between meetings of the executive committee. It is executive committee meeting na on next meeting next month between the next month now. So bibi bana is a no in terms
just
and the emergency committee
to the MCO okay.
Ya chair that program is so omo emergency committee no yes the president no and our vice our fa no and our 3 other members vice no far from executive committee no and our 3 other members no so free executive committee no into 5 emergency committee members ni no omo executive committee members
okay
say yes sir
and a very small number say omuntimi hia ene no proximity omu location matter ana say in selecting MCO members no because ubetima be share jasu dia
ye fan share president no so say o yini members na on hwe be bi omu free ba but ono ano o is office or the bekani adwendwen hu dia ne ono anasem which current one the two one the last one before normalization by ex-president Nyantichi of our the free advice for could be a met to me account won't say who said the panel never be almost free bar. I won't say I say representation no why yes sure say what
Doku from RFA
Doku free RFA
George from Division 1
George say no
Vice President
I feel share Division 1 or Kukuya I feel share Premier League Ankanab
okay
or is from Mazakis for Premier League and now the buy into Premier League rep and Kukuya lawyer Kukuya Division 1 rep I feel Yanya Nipa and Nipa 4 Doku Kawana 5 into RFA so are represented Ucha and yes a random chairs say on 5 people from various way no but we share Nipa no fire na what do I drink to one sana oye until those 5 people no money
and then at the discretion of the president
yes
discussion
on random see on one fact on one for until we share MCO so MCO omu be meeting omusu year meetings to say ESCO na omusu wo omu mra which article 52 or say the emergency committee shall be made up of the president the vice and 3 other members the president ni ho vice no be chair vice no ni ho and say number no go down
5 minimum 3
yes into mostly no meant me I can say mostly no MCO meeting either vice no or and say president no or I feel from rules no so you can enra say and ye bibia ESCO ye no and MCO ye into bibi wo ho even though in between ESCO meetings no MCO be to me ahia no nyama bi wo ho a
omunu hu to me so
yes into eno dey just so join ESCO into those nyama no na rule no ahia ne say emergency committee shall have power. Okay, Mami starting from the beginning. 53, you know. I see that executive committee shall from time to time spell out areas of authority of the MCO. The executive committee, because she won't say you can't work. Executive committee, time I say committee. To me for more committee and our committee be a show man say no show say oh we the munkoye we mine nti MCO to me the nyama bi aka say oh we yen to me discuss e wo ha bi a any time and say na tie no say amount for share in short intervals nti MCO nye say ESCO to me the nyama ama emergency committee no sir emergency committee the work power say on discuss financial matters provided always say power will exclude budget estimates submitted by the General Secretary. Oh, the says Sikasem dia most essay called ESCO. Afi MCO need power for these areas, these following areas are kind where Article 33.3 is concerned. Oh, and at 33.4, 33.6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Nti yenko article 33 no na yenko hwe 33.3 so 3 no 4 6 7 8 10 and 9 and 10 and 13 no eno be chen ye nyama ESCO into me there
okay 33 ni say okay
no I'm starting from 3 no
33
yes
it shall appoint or dismiss the General Secretary on the recommendations of the President.
Enu ye juma ye di ama ESCO pe MCO to me
etimi mpamo General Secretary
no I say almost 22 nya ebe transfer as ESCO and some bet me adwuma
30 okay 34 year to prepare and convene ordinary or where appropriate an extraordinary congress.
Okay nti ye be congress no mbe ye congress say say agenda ye di congress ni date na every be ko ne be bia ye be congress no so em kontumi nye eno so ye ESCO pe
Yanko 5 no. It shall decide
no 5 in count
5 and count 6 to appoint and where appropriate members of the judicial organs.
Also say you be appointed membership of the disciplinary committee,
appeals
committee, na appeals committee, and also enye MKO edwuma ESCO.
Enti nipa 5 no ntimi ntena ho nya ka say ye ESCO ni MKO.
This is 22 now.
Okay.
Enti 7 so
to appoint and where appropriate members of the standing committees.
And also MKO to me approval.
I say ESCO.
Enti on bet me a subcommittee say mo ko ye list number.
Okay.
But the final approval say you be approve no. This is ESCO.
But on bet my recommendations.
On bet me ayaba but final approval. Enti MKO to me trans yes approval no. On bet me ahwem no mo dey aba ESCO. ESCO na be ma approval. On say MKO edwuma no nyama bi wo ho a nyama na ESCO ye ni nyina no. On bet me aye on their own, they approve and they do everything. Then they report back to it, say yeah way. Now they are coming this no. But we mu they are was way they can't do it. To me then they will come and tell the ESCO maybe that's all Mudi buy ESCO na Emma approval. What I say? 33-7 so about standing committees no. Standing committees appointment and I say oh you need pay free mono and also your ESCO edwuma and your MKO edwuma.
Okay.
8 no.
Also to maintain good relations with the international and national sporting bodies, and also to exercise the right to propose representatives of the GFA for elections to their various bodies.
Okay. Inti ebia Olympics committee.
Yeah.
When we say football.
Or rep.
Sa rep no so ESCO edwuma ESCO na the rep no be call CAF say the rep will call CAF committee so referees are the call match commissioner
me kai may rest in perfect peace. The late former president Professor Mills. Time I buy CMP rep and call a CAF one.
Yes.
Na government ni say yepe abedi peli. And na ESCO no say debi. Yeah, per se president echo.
Yes, because ESCO edwuma.
And finally omo no stand here.
Yes, ESCO edwuma. ESCO edwuma. Into say anybody in Ghana na any group be person nipa bi kwa. And one say ube lobby ESCO no.
Yeah.
But I say untumi free ESCO na nchi. MKO kra untumi nye. And a group here na efi ometumi ESCO edwuma. Nti sa mrano sa na tie. On say nti baby a if say ready mrano na tie. Nti we nipa 5 no ntumi nkotanse na say ye di we na ekọ 22 no mo ko meeting na. Nti aye meeting na e bia yanka asem we as say issue no ba say the obi call CAF and ye di call Olympics committee and bibia and FIFA election ye di Ghana ni call ho na adi say ye train ESCO say ESCO number say ye free emergency ESCO meeting and ye MKO nipa 5 no to me. Okay. 9 no so was it true
to propose any person suitable to be awarded the title of honorary president or honorary member of the GFA to the Congress.
When so MKO no to me proposal name no ESCO na share Congress and I will say ESCO na share agenda no we propose obi a we be kan agenda no ESCO edwuma enye MKO edwuma ti ESCO 22 no share omo no be kan say ori asimasi waboa ball a che ile se bia oso onye club football bi o mana onye active football but if you say obi a say manu sa award no say honorary member of the DFA and honorary president of the DFA na obi sa no the Beko Congress na Congress agent to yes na bibia FNO ya or that respect and reputation and sena obu no nti sa honorary president and honorary member and also esco adwuma esco na be your recommendation then to nipa 22 no in the 5 okay after 10
at its own discretion it may delegate tax arising out of its area of authority and call on services of advisors or grant mandate to third parties.
And also your esco adwuma in farmer emko nti emko ntumi nkotanse na ka say yeah more obi mandate so onko ye bibi on say ye can wo time ye esco adwuma say esco na what to me to mandate people will be on my matches amaye and omo akwa sponsorship na di nti no so ye esco mandate no free esco
and emko suntimi nye
they be on their own day on bet to me ebia esquire meeting or next week emko na meet bibi sa aba on bet to me ahwe na mo aka say no we to me yes say the main body no main body na decide see they can come with a recommendation or ye hwe mu nya no okay if he say we as a main body no let's give that approval okay the anipa no track record say me say ninya as a general secretary no prepare so that when the ESCO is the board until you share we akata ye share we a be share UK so say na omo
11 in count
there be 11 count
okay count 13
at 11 no emko betumi aye
okay
12 no emko until there ye kind time ye discussing the authority of ESCO no nyama ye kan say ESCO betumi aye nyina no emko betumi aye apart from the ye free money
okay
into 13 also count
to recommend persons for appointment to CAF list of match commissioners
and also referees no count no kaya explaining that I say into recommendation for referees match commissioners or more understanding election work CAF na di Ghana for more work CAF for more adwuma and yes ninya free school but if you CAF aye say vacancy about or there to our website say anybody should apply no and the Ghanaian apply who effing count or more they can say oh money or who you go but no any recommendation and yet they say appointment there no you do in court oh there are Ghanaians in CAF or more apply call more interview ya for or staff members and we are different from the recommend you be up committee so and those ones and they're free every DFAS nti ya ka juma emko power bibia omutumi ye nti omutumi ye everything na esco to me apart from the amrana aye frame say we can there this article 33 33 4 6 sub 6 7 8 9 10 and 13 eno die emko to me apart from that no omutumi ye ninya nti yenhwe England
before we call I mean two questions we for answer to us obviously expanded ESCO
they be expansion part there they be we can rearrange it you see first of all no media masua with law be wo na Ghana say law reforms me service me national service for ye be ye o person samra bia e say o hwe de e wo ho no na wa bisa wo say de e wo ho no juma e say ye no e ya na de enti aye mra no still does it pertains say mra no say na tie no e juma correct sometimes no fault no free mra no e free nipa na omoni mra no ye juma enti say free nipa na e enye mra no enti wo hwe e say onya reason ti a wo pese wo sisa mra no enti ESCO no say ebisa ye ho say ESCO no there any problem e wo ho there any e dia bibi wo e so mo ye o ntumi nye when you ask yourself those questions how you those research no uba conclusion and then wo hu die enti a wo sisa mra enu nso na ebe che wo se na wo sisa no but say wo problem wo mra no ho e bia ya ma otumi wo say obi ya obi wo radio no so a twa no fito na bia untwa nipa no fito a eye tumi na ye de ama wo no na enya na say una won use to me no
nipa na use to me
aha nti be a problem wo nipa no e be a nipa na e we sisa ana se nipa na e be man training sometimes they say wo sisa nipa no because e be oye ni nya correct apart from that particular one e be a say onya didie kakra na to me kakra bi ana bibi nti e say ye hu ne nti a ye pese ye sisa 22 no so unim say omo free various constituencies na eba one ade na wo yi free mo one ade na nka last congress and kan be kono because of gender issues
the rep for a woman
nanka ye fix rep for a woman eno ambaso ena yankosa congress no it is that we know among for sure mo document o mo nya for that congress na ambaso no o be wo say e wo mo say na kan DFA the fix a position back for a woman.
And normally the existing 22 no one 23 now.
Yes, nanka be permanent for a woman.
But can be increase normally from 22 to 23.
Yes. Let me I check it. Me say na yes, a fix for a woman's sleep. Yeah, not women's sleep for a woman.
A woman.
Nti say ya nya ye esco na ya nya oba wo mu kra that road no there is for oba.
Na munye bi wo mu kra still kwa that no
yeah no dey permanent. Nti say the aka ni nya dey mba kra sa road no there na ye no permanent for mba because over the years the I won say
okay
mba ntamba esco
presidency no me who say FIFA at the time of officer ba CAF adopted FA no e dey am ba adopted yenye no 2 terms of 5 years 3 terms of 4 years 2 terms of 4 years e because yenye no 2 terms of 6 years send yenye and say based on national law 2 terms of 4 years
okay me yenye man say am pese me chichim nti the first question for me is yemfa term limit mba na ama yemfa mba
first question also answer
the answer overwhelmingly is yes FIFA the aba but the trickle down yen so say yefa nti eno dey yes for me I say the term limit can both presidency no and ESCO
no so
yes the man for you to say ESCO no so I think say bet me there I can ESCO so that is one side of it it's a hot there yes afi ya dia tum say the term limit ba no na afi ya che which kind of term limit and now will be say will be feel say we are used to current ESCO no 4 years
4 years yeah
okay until 4 years no who win now usan ba biwa limit no yemfa e be say FIFA there no ye 3 terms until who come back 4 years now I second one 4 years
and 12 years no
yes who got third one na fair ye 12 years the whole pair you see ye da say only be juma no chen obi a o and you can't stand again we and also ye the Ghana mra the president of Ghana no your term limit and we are no 4 years me no it's Ghanaians nyanti ase we are me no na only the best to then o mbebio form crown to me for Fabio and what dey na see football there no ye no 2 term limits and FIFA there no it's question na maybe some who knew yen fa Ghana there na ye nyanti ase wo your constitution no mo and I say yen fa football there na FIFA on 3 terms the 3 terms of 4 na maximum 12 until question is obi be can say yen simple FIFA there near 3 terms yen fa eno until we ESCO nso yen sa we call ESCO the other ESCO members no but what then that creates is we bet me a ESCO member for 3 terms no na 12 no then you come for the presidency no? Because even though president ESCO member no is quite different it's 12 amount for say be okay in terms of now FIFA there no so that we don't need to think about it, do modification and argue FIFA no yen money trickle down simple from the top down now I simple am I FIFA beti ya say obi abeti ya say if you want to change that, unless you are saying say we are Ghanaians is so different, we are now unique, be binti yensi sign. No, I feel say you know, sana na edina bobra easily prime. We don't have to even reinvent the wheel. FIFA say 3 terms of 4 years, 4-year term each.
Okay. You call the
UK for on board no, on friend no ESCO, on friend no the FA board. Now FA board no, yeah, there is a 22.
Yeah.
On there no 10.
Board near 10.
Board near 10. First of all, more no executive chairman, Mr. Clark. Only non-executive chairman. If you are executive director, or Martin Glenn, or no, chief executive officer.
Yeah.
Okay. Into yeah, the 2-year deal no one. Non-executive chairman, only board chairman.
Okay.
I feel no executive director no, or only in charge of the management. Into general secretary.
General secretary.
Oh, it's no because they see the CEO function in the general secretary more than us.
Okay.
Oh, on say Uber Ghanaian companies so Uber on say board no. Your board chairman and the CEO most often than not no, or a member of the board. So I know my own general secretary no is a member of the board.
Okay. He's not the secretary to the board. Yes, yeah, or a secretary to the board.
Yes,
but he's a member of the board.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'll come back and explain something.
Okay.
And I feel more national game representatives. And more 1, 2, 3 game representatives. No, national game representatives for 3. Then I feel more professional game representative. And also 1, 2, 3. Members.
6 from the leagues.
Yes, I feel more independent non-executive directors. And also more 1, 2, now I
8. 8, you know, the 2 board chairman anyway, no, 10.
CEO,
no. Okay.
Now I 10. Into Omudia no, almost setting now a typical
company,
profit-making company. It is a Vodafone, MTN, for companies, no baby, even government-established companies. No, we say the CEO or head of management, no, or sign a board member to facilitate board work.
Yeah.
Okay, and on board secretary different. No, mostly we say board secretary no be a lawyer because in terms of company law, no, board secretary no be a requirement. And now, we are now for a lawyer be a or filing at registrar general because yet no, the general secretary no as a secretary. Basically now our player is a secretary to the board. But on nim no in terms of company law na dino what down and also one downside. Obi be can say adena ye pese ye alleviate general secretary to the board level. Oh, which one of football terms? I say na ya running no.
Yeah.
So I know you general secretary keke. Or general secretary keke. But he is managing the
whole secretariat.
So if you want an effective management of the secretariat now, you need a very strong general secretary. Or sa Indiano. We have to choose. Going forward, one area nobody has talked about it yet. But I intentionally brought the UK experience for us to, from Ochina, the general secretary position. Then you see the role of the general secretary in the management of the Ghana Football Association. Sometimes a position be we downplay the position. Oh, a general secretary.
Oh, civil letters.
Yeah,
so let us be out to referee. It's addressed to the general secretary to receive letters.
Important. The same one say who send it letter be out to a company. Also the CEO. Oh, by the no, yama position no. I don't know. So one or more asset who say ya na ya be
system that come on
but that role of a general secretary no, and yes more role. any small role. We don't say FIFA, CAF, any organization, it's a Secretary General of the UN.
The O and B O.
Because the secretariat, no. But there's somebody meeting, Namuko. Or no staff, no so. Even staff appointment, I did about Ochna, now a general secretary, I'm not forgetting I say it's a very, very important role. Because for the secretariat to function well, if the secretariat function well, then the GFA is functioning well. By a meeting now, that secretariat no function well. Oh, no man over here, crowd no.
And that Catholic factory is back crying. If it's secretariat, then function.
Let I hear how
San Letang. The first wedding son, thank you, I'm good.
Hi. I didn't want to for a year holiday. I focus, But also on Castle Taira. As all I can say, Chan, let I and jealous like I am could be.
maybe a different committee.
We know a different could now. You. I look up to go home and become Mr. Bonapi.
Really, have Patrick.
What's the just get wrong or name a different email? What's been kind email? Anyways, inquiry what you actually is here show so 0302548556 03254857 yen say yes Spanish school yen keeping it sa and answer president in term of office require yen saying limitation na can say 4 years for a year 2 terms and answer 5 years for 3 terms and require yen say what you are probably to see our man so now yen jo adwenche ne yen commercial din and we are free. Hello. Wait to me and so sorry, fetch me. Wait to me and so what you are free. Okay. Mr. Udini, we are free.
Hello.
Udemy uncle. Udemy uncle. Two terms of saying 5 years and not 4 years. Mr. Bedase. Mr. Odini, we are free.
Hello.
Yanko.
Why you not home today?
You may not remember here.
The passion is to care about the Castan of the Bathroom Kakla. Or in fact, media, the American lawyer, in fact, or boy program or money a day, and Chishimua, which we say from there 3 weeks now, what they blame, you know, for so be play or so. Now, media, the American is on. And they are on 120 now, almost 120 is saying almost 1 man. You get the bad 1,000. I don't know good job like move.
But I know your Congress, you know, escort, you say,
committee members now. Maybe the American say, the Ciano. And the American say, oh, so we catch and say, you, my taking room say, no, committee is there, and Kebaya and Kawa Kalapa, and that's what standing for every president. And no, dear, that's the move back to Mujem.
but that's it, Udini, we are free. Now, I hear. Okay, I'm going.
I mean, media, the American said, they only 2 terms of 4 years, and that's 4 years, because they so check our trauma, the years now. So I say, you move back the year farmer, you move to the 2 bedroom, you must go in America so much from. Oh, my people, we eat, I say, yeah, I'm going. Oh, near my papa, I started by the rest of the with Yanni Umbra, I bet for the hospital. Media, they only 2 terms of 4 years, and that's what now I know you for swap, I don't know the other one. Now I get for night, they ask me.
Mokoya ne moko aba. Mr. Udini, we are free. Good morning, Yanko. Out to Yanko.
With the issue of presidency, I don't think we need to even argue over it because minister rules in the FIFA, that is a term of presidency now. It trickles down. So I member associations in here. You know, there is no.
The subscriber you're calling is out of service.
Oh, sorry, Ato. Enkwe, we didn't even have Max, so I'm final call. Kasani Enko.
Well, my minero radia se say nedue. Odi afi ba kwa ka mi fi ho ai.
Nyamisha pa, nyamisha.
Papa mu boni mu, ya fa na afia ma no. Ndi mi de radia se papa. Enye ni penya na nya ni sei. Brinya, mami tia sin fit enterprise for say kenela ifo. Say, o hwe se kunyane pa Ghana ha pa dia. Media, ye de mrani to on straight. Say 1 year, 4 years, dia okobako. Another election 4 years, 2 okwa and one no. Unu kwa say ukobiem. Media kamede me friend so sa pa me da say.
Meso me da say. Chief Seydou Ademu Diabasi South African ESCO is made up of 27 members. Zambia is made up of 13 members. And Germany is made up of 17 members. Inti yen channel so eno. Senior yen fancy hey na emeto so china ne hwe general secretary echina ne hwe eno so die ewomu. Prosper Harrison Ado and amotene ka say ye de ehusem ebrawe dwumadie yi eye agokansie mu nkuntebuo a Happy FM and Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition GACC at the ebrawo we the revision of the GFA status and yashasia ye no kakra enche ye bewie na on eboa ye ma di dwumadie so ba ne Star Ghana aboafo no David Danida and UKA hashtag no nkuntebuo ye making kan ni na message na ba making kan o dwumadie so amatifo so ahu die koso ye twa ho sima ne ma mato dwumadie so
yare aye shawo intintina ho ama yare ni unya yare ben na dan krankra ama wanom abibiduru anya bofu
ase ehudiere ni bibia
nanso unya aya Grace Homeopathic Clinic one number 1 last stop and we Grace Homeopathic Clinic de odi wani kire nya ahye ya general consultant laboratory services general body scan physiotherapy and dietary counseling aye free ya nya okapreba enura ye de ma ope e na obo ho ka odi wani kire nya ahye ya ya bisa say ya stroke na diabetes hypertension with the so wakoma mu yare ahuru ni nyina hepatitis ahuru ni nyina ye A B and C ya hye ni na dia ma arthritis, rheumatism, prostate cancer, autoimmune disorders, cocoa, Nino, Yashamo. Now, when you wisi, and I believe your baby so cradia. Ya wow, ever what's near to your sacra crap. Yet in the Irakwan, Madina, Akachia Bon last stop, a walk and I'll be wing. Grace Homeopathic Clinic, Niyan is a Bepusu Young 020-00-77-500 and 055-6181-666. Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Yes, a yari. It's now a mayari new.
What is the state of financial administration in sport in Ghana? Is corruption in football administration a reality or a myth? How do we ensure transparency and accountability? Join Happy FM and GACC, Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition, as we host key personalities in the sporting fraternity as they digest and uncover the issues and make recommendations to the advancement of the game of sport and football in Ghana. Starting this November, tune into your #1 sports channel and be part of the discussion in making the game a better one. The Shevudia Akukensiemu Akuntebo campaign on accountability is sponsored by Star Ghana with support from David, Danida, and UK8. Follow our hashtag Nkuntebo to join the ongoing conversation at Happy FM Ghana and other social media handles or visit www.happyghana.com for further details. Nkuntebo Mreneju.
Versus our crew on the Joshua Springs Concert 2018 with Master National Theatre. Also featuring His Majesty Master. This concert gives you discount on Romeoville Properties. You buy tickets and the Ghana VIP 20% discount. 50 single 10% discount. And 30 Ghana for students with 5% discount. Contact 055-725-7271. Sponsors. Media partners.
Ito. Get water, drink small water. I won't be old.
What you would you pass a trouble for so I started seeing ya, and then you should be at the sound. Near no empty juba. Nina said, Happy 98.9 FM. Yet you might yes from Kubi, opportunity, the Bible challenge at wow. Now, wait, I can see us from Go. Yeah, because our radio as well. Who bet you Bobra Cassa, our Chinapunquenemo. The Yana Saudi would do, who feel and not fail to be out here. Who bet and that's all you may WhatsApp number. I 0544 Rebecca Nipoma Kumaku Edu. Yanti woman atumu ese. Woman eba besia kaino. Na eyadi abena so. Ama wode trapo. Na wasai akosho akwenya enya atipi edi title. Ye bia try atuhono with registration na asase dada. Kayo se hye kakra ebata ho. Eye Happy FM Bible Challenge. What you say? Nyapo aso eye na sekania na eye ye han so kan. So Echi anaba soya sign anampo woni ai ebeto basako mu dia fre 0544208677 Happy FM any chenkwa
Anapa Boss Sports enya teni enya video enya picture enya titiamu enya kotoko 1+1 eya tisua ne dinchire Anapa Boss Sports eya dinchire eya disua
Yeah, tell Jumedi the Swami Kite here for say, Ne Jumedi, companies are who doing our so as Jumedi Jumedi Grace, we will partake a clinic. Of Simming Council say, You're bang, and I concourse what on Jeopardy answer still. You're in Kwa, Tanfunina, and Yawo, a stroke, diabetes, a war and a ultimate hypertension, heart problem, fibroid, prostate cancer, arthritis, rheumatism, ulcer. You're been was Fabra, no one to my say, I say, You're so baby and Cassa, you're any old baby ankasa omunye we nko no mo show omunye general consulting omo laboratory service o how me lab wona kama omunye general body scan and physiotherapy omunye bi e wo dietary counseling ya no obenye bi e wo Grace Homeopathic Clinic e wo Medina Kachabo last stop from our number we so 0556181660 0200067500 Grace Homeopathic Clinic and our mission from God for humanity. Sahara bit Sahara for some countries and now kill from a crowd. There's a no document na you crew. Sahara fever and a sim fever and mammy, typhoid fever now, malaria fever, and I said what is appetite 20 minutes, Miss Slow. Sahara fever bet 2 assay at the amount. Sahara bit has no to cocoa assay and I face waist pains, constipations, menstrual disorders and bet 2 assay at the amount. Open to a Cohalos Heba, Kenswalk Heba, now cash dragging. Rhys Jones Heba or Kaneshi market. Pay your tight or Tema committee one. Dima Pharmacy or Ashama market. So President Dr. Sarah Edin come off friend number with 0244672052. What is it Ghana? Any a host Uruguay bo any day. A 10 PM and a game no Eshasi or Ghana 10 PM and a game no Shaso Ghana. Last time a Ghana ni Uruguay share at this level. You show 5-0. Mama Mamma come kakra. Yenga kai kakra. Ghana Uruguay. 5-0. Yanka Kai Hokakra, or say Jumedi.
In high, Happy Sports there, and the goal is scored. It's a dream start for the Ghanaians, and it was the head of their striker Jane Ayam that did the damage. It's a strong, firm, downward header from Ayam, and the lady from Ashtown Ladies has put Ghana into a precious lead. Ghana look to build down that right touchline. Been pretty productive for them so far, and showing a clean pair of heels here is Sherifatu Sumaila, and it's back in, and the goal is given. It's goal number 2 for Ghana.
Wait, Jumedi course so Azerbaijan. Masaudi did the man team of the choir Kuda Bronson. Way Ghana etim Boguma Uruguay by 5-0. Yanko Uruguay. Nene Akosia Eji Aoyejuma or GBC encoding Komo Ono or Uruguay. Akosia, good morning. Our Ghana.
Hola, Brina.
Hey. 2 days ago na hola. Hey, I say welcome you.
Good morning.
Bibi ayeboko die.
Yeah, Bibi ayeboko.
Uruguay is saying. Oh, really? Okay, nice. Now, Team Ghana, they come. DNA Kosovo. No, I'm say Diego Forlan, formerly of Man United, Atletico Madrid fame, Uruguay International, Ebesram Kosovo ambassador, and my competition. Na atmosphere of competition, boy, come on.
Well, atmosphere, welcome to yes, how ambassadors, legends at FIFA. You almost say competition. Boosty girls no more year, but most especially younger fire team now. So you were moving to Suleiman or whatever.
Yeah.
The engine only girls in your pet talk or catch how me a lady in Kakranka from the youth page editor Black Queens. No, you're almost nasty. I can't know background story at your man. It was very, very motivational for girls, no, because when you're obia, waiting your passing through that lens, no, now all can't be out to me. I actually now sounds when you be to say Diego Fulana, waiting me achieve a whole lot in football. One also air cancer in some way natural. I'm a motivation and welcome for all the girls, and it's very, very, very encouraging. As to be ready to say they are almost stepping out on the pitch now. To make the best that they can to lift the flag up high.
Oh, shit, Jen, I am most kind of me bronze my the team where you do you think that this team can equal or even do better than the Equatorial Azerbaijan 2013?
When we start off the year, compare the 2012 squad with this particular squad, I think that we'll be doing a very great disservice to the technical team and the playing body of this particular team. Because young Kanye and who say, Mr. Wood German, as a massive of time of the team in 2012, or making sure that there was a you call Azerbaijan, you call winning bronze. And I think now you call at the time, with Jenny more Samira Suleiman, more that's what I mean. Nana, you to me, I should tell my sister, I'm over Black Queens. But these ones, just 3 of the players, Ometumiako under 17 previous World Cup, maybe that there were Nina, Husseina, Emma, Barikisu, Isahako. Previous editions, Ometumiako be that. But well, apart from that, Oshe current team, let's say Abdullah Mukarama, only Diomo, and maybe to say Malot, Abena Pukia, strikers, there's Susie de Dopea. The girl has been amazing. FA Cups are all bigger over in Ghana and Ecuador. Time in, time out, to me, we need awards, even swag awards, but we will be that. And so, this particular squad, you see the individual brilliance, you see the group brilliance as well. So the only thing is that if the coach's tactic, it's to me, if the girls are able to go out there and do their best, I definitely know. I see the quality in them, are able to know I'm gonna go better in the competition.
All right, Nancy, Uruguay, your opening game, host nation the ball. I'm not pressure about camp because host nation there, obviously they want to win their first game, almost supporting Taumechi, be able to year more. I met who be your camp and officer based on your history with them, your Sakwa Bogo.
Yeah, you into me based on your history with them, because the first time, now, you're sure the first time on Omoba World Cup, so they were very, very new, very green. You see, this time now, I am a second time on Omoba this particular tournament. I almost answer hosting. No more players, because they Diego Forlan, more I almost show more crying at them. The motivation in their camp is very, very high.
All right, I am saying Lucia J. Okay. I got to make a hello, Akusia. Uruguay, what? Akusia to make a okay, I'm saying Lucia Kusia, our woman, so a better finally. But Alan, you're quiet. Uruguay, you're funny for last 2 minutes. of the cup. You got Uruguay and you opening game host nation there, but 10 p.m. Ghana time. The game no Asha see. Last time a boy who said, okay, but we want a team for me feeling kakra. Azerbaijan. You Buguma Fatima.
Fatima Al Hassan.
Oh,
okay. I shall go on that day.
Oh, nice.
It's a dream start for the Ghanaians, and it was the head of their striker, Jane Ayam, that did the damage. It's a strong, firm, downward header from Ayam, and the lady from Ashtown Ladies has put Ghana into a precious lead.
Okay, yeah, come on, Sibuna, and I could say Jia Samba, I could say,
Yes, what if you say yes, chef and a Uruguay team?
Yeah.
My prepared. Now, enjoy. Team media officer for Ghana, that's Bosman. When you interview, being the main chance to do now, Obisa coach, and say, join us so far with to know about the Uruguay team. The Quaco face your mono. But unfortunately, no coach, and say, with me up at Omoclip near the other. Going to me, and so he's going to learn on the pitch. Time my girls neighbor, now that's the timer. Over to me, everything. This and this are the things that they have to do. And see on that corner, I say it's a bit murky for me. So when you feel a bar, you to me in a scout, to be a man and crochet, and a Uruguay corner, a bomb game, no, it's but I know we're standing, so I do have a very, very big hope in the coach. And say this was not his first time at this tournament. Remember that Azerbaijan, when Nick Masawood Dramani in a coin, lawyer and assistant. Ofihono Odiomako Jordan, Ofihono Odiomako Costa Rica, into over that experience now the boss game. And every time Odiomako Jordan and Costa Rica, they made sure that at least they got to the quarterfinal. And so one thing that I am sure of, will be able to get across in this particular group stage, it is for Uruguay and what they came, what come any time again, they say, even if we are not able to score them just because they are the host nation, you'll be having 12 men now or more. If they make sure that at least if they have deserving score line, even if it's a draw.
Akusia, I pay Ghana for but that's part say, oh boy, come on. Oh, a year Uruguay. As I can say, crossing Sia, when you can say no, ma,
muchas gracias. I'll be coming.
You, I could you. Why?
AIPF young reporters.
Yes. Swagger Daruma. We also change him. I'm about to say, you say buy into alcohol, a swag. AIPS, and I do quiet, and the young journalists are all and yet. For to be BBN and do quite swag. Okay. Young can I as a bazooka, why? Prosper also Prosper has not also.
Oh, Prosper is an agenda, not the nature. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me. Actually, lawyer made that point.
Okay, I could say everything and I'm up for a witch. Okay, all right.
Hi. Yes, there and the goal is scored. It's a dream start for the Ghanaians, and it was the head of their striker, Jane Ayam, that did the damage. It's a strong, firm, downward header from Ayam, the lady from Ashtown Ladies, has put Ghana into a precious lead. Right touchline once again, been pretty productive for them so far. Showing a clean pair of heels here is Sherifatu Sumaila. And it's back in, and the goal is given. It's goal number 2 for Ghana, headed in this time by Priscilla Lakia. 2 headed goals for Ghana have given them a distinctive advantage here in Bale. In this group encounter.
Oh, yeah, it was away the last time I said Uruguay, I was Azerbaijan. The final scoreline there 5-0, and 10 p.m. exactly. Look at Ghana time, and it's a show host nation. For the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup. Alan, you come 5 minutes for fire.
Yeah, Brenya, everything about Ghana and your group, Mechanism, was a background, was a UFA and an Army Affairs Association, a bar, and air football, and the age air competition, organized BMRA 1997, organized the European and the 19 Women's Air Championship. Yeah, now obetumi dey develop mad football no so from nkwalabrim yeah mutimi teams and they can set up teams from under 17 and 15 levels the chat so the develop mad football just as a main man so you develop from at the youth level now FIFA so it's may recognize that 12 years after FIFA Senior Women's World Cup of course 1991 and 2002 decided say so organized face underage competition for man that was the FIFA under 19 championship and later the FIFA the 20 championship I shall say in 2002 or 2004 then 2006 almost I successful because obviously the first and the 19 championship this year after the tournament now recorded 295,133 spectators. It's after 2006 no almost now I success so they did say a main man you under 17 under 20 and a senior level now say a man so no in under 17 competition at the moment the created and 17 championship because 2008 the maiden edition a cost to New Zealand yeah at 2002 2010 or Trinidad and Tobago then 2012 then 2014 Costa Rica and the last edition 2016 Jordan. So this will be the 6th time at this particular tournament and Costa with 16 18s about 32 matches in every competitions. If you say 2008 up to date, about 160 matches, scoring 574 goals, average of 3.59. 8 goals, attendance of 999,735, and I record up to date. I successful if you say Medina, as I say, Japan, the most successful country in terms of number of goals, actually scoring 98 goals across a sad period, and in fact, you just 31 different countries almost see a kind at least one occasion out this particular competition. Among 31, only 6 countries and appear in every single competition, including Ghana, Canada, and so can be Germany, Japan, Korea Republic, New Zealand, as said Ghana. These are the only countries that 6 times present Tembia, Omsia Canibi. Asians are dominating this particular competition. The 5 previous competitions, winning 4 occasions, only once, and winning. Korea DPR winning the maiden edition and then the last edition. Korea Republic 2010, Japan 2014. The only exception 2012 tournament Ghana kwaji bronze na and France and Etumije Ewohonum. And so Osha Asians because even in the final there been 2 occasions and 2 Asian countries and a final in 2010 2016 Ewohonum. And so Ghana group Lusua. And I said this particular tournament now. There's one thing about this tournament. All host nations, Uruguay, and say between a few on the none of the host nations and I qualify from group stage that. In our first round, from New Zealand in 2008 to Jordan 2016. And Ghana a group on sorry countries now. Uruguay no more. The only occasion was that tournament. Kobia a 5-0 no. Fit tournament no watch only 2 goals. Conceded as many as 14 goals in that tournament. New Zealand 5 competitions normal Koninabi. Bomb record 50 matches only 2 wins. Abdrawan losing 12, conceding 37 goals, scoring only 15 every time on free group stage. The other group opponent Finland. This is their first timer. Soviet Ghana pedigree in this tournament as compared to all more then the expectation is Ghana to win today and continue to beat the others and qualify to the next stage of the competition.
Okay, me that say Alan. You told me so na me ba wo. My memory message about Emmanuel Wole the United States of Keseman. We will set it to for our conversation in the next topic. I say good morning, Ohene. I don't believe in speculations, but it's about time we forget Kojo Asamoah. He is not the only footballer in this country. Let's move on as a country to develop someone to be like Kojo Asamoah and stop all those speculations about juju and stuff. Oh, Africa. But black players to stop juju if it is true. Okay. Good morning. I am listening to you live from my big town. I wish the Black Maidens the best of luck in today's match against you guys. Special greetings to Mr. Michael Lagbury and the entire Goyle company from April Chaka Palmer. Arafat Phobia at the about the 50th Newtown. Good morning to you and the entire crew. In fact, both Inter Milan and Kojo Sama himself are lying to Ghanaians. Kojo is not injured at all because last Sunday he played 90 minutes for Inter Milan when they lost 4-1 to Atlanta. So how can he get injured? So some of us we know where the proper agenda is coming from, but they won't succeed at all. They would fail shamefully. The Ayu brothers are Muslims and not using juju. If they have juju, they would be using it in their club so that they can play every match. But sometimes they are on the bench. In the Black Stars, they don't have any challenger in the team. Okay, how can he use juju on player he's better than? Let's be serious. Okay, good morning, happy sports. I am Ben Sogbo from East Legon, Tosako. Why Coach Kosiapia is managing his players how he's managing his players is not good. Okay, Mate. Good morning, happy sports. This is yours truly, Seb Boating from La Paz. Today, I want Ghanaians to focus on the Black Maidens, so they are representing the entire nation in faraway Uruguay. Okay, Mirase. Yeah, also, Coach, could just some more issues here and what is arising from it? Your take on it.
Only Babo Brinya and I pay you better happy for Sisoma Hatane Yanchia still tea. Could you have some more issues? Did there you money? I think that we've not managed this thing very well. This issue, ama that belief say, Nkofobi to look at the Kwesi Apia, ne hand any Black Stars that on the authority, any national team. No, sometimes Emma is winning. Those who have that session are winning more souls than him. Why
is it so?
From
say journalists cultural say when you be a kasana waiting up there so what does that got to do with the coach?
Let me tell you. I then said there be a audio your dream say coach teacher for 1, 2, 3 weeks unfair that you brothers and coach be phobia. There's a particular reason. The Black Stars is not bona fide property of anybody.
No, but you said say I said only group team so I am. I'm saying so for coach player
because of the way what
way I'm saying
sometimes unfair will be journalists are now report member out in connection with the left out of that player. No, the response are every Black Stars camp and the Black Stars setup ebano and twice sometimes and excuse me and papa they don't manage that too well because the perception of Krum say is got in the beef with the father, with their used father. Says our Black Stars captaincy issue 1992 Senegal empty. Fast forward the Wabai Black Stars coach, you see, she wants to pay the children in what the father did to him or what happened that time 92 or person fire Colano because at the time authentic timeline and a reporting date Emma players for South Africa 2013. Did the SQC say Emma Numbe or you say because Jordan has been left out?
Now, some of you coach. I don't know someone the other side say when the players show disrespect to him,
no.
When
proud to that tournament, qualifying series, no, never be seen.
We can recent one. Recent one, you call Kenya. Kenya. One of the qualifying games. Congo. Obi show disrespect or if you are class positive. I don't go refer to anything and unfair woman. Now I'm call papa.
Only maybe.
I don't know about the
just like there might be a better reference be. But we who can fight Jata Baby fee. Who so come we na Onia after a chance of year. When you had this problem started, I want to say, we straight. Remember, from Malawi qualifiers 2012, I went to 2013. That the day Bangino, that he never be brave. That's the time. No more out. What my coach, we was not say coaches be. Like I said, under a quiet man, on a Zoom on Casa. He should have. Except on bite more than he's beating now. He's trying to buy. Now the boys, they are grown. No, it's not coming to you. But I mean, practice say if he has beaten earlier to do what? He tried once. Maybe official communication. If you want say be out of one, let the public know. Say the Blasters is not a bona fide property of any player. But the coach has made that comment over and over. Even the captain of the side, what dropping in match Spain. So signal been on sending you. No signal now. People say on sending you. One team I say when apart from them say will be misbehaving like. Who say we're expelling the 15 and now we not create a new player. One team I say the Blasters is not a bona fide property of any individual. But you give some of them appearance in one fair sponsor way about on board now. It's a different argument. We have also one say production of the machine. Could just someone any the coach out in the machine anyway. Let me tell you one thing. Coach I have to do that. Me yet because I'm a coach, I'm trying to be very careful. But we won't team I say we opian him. I'll go to the superstition part of the whole issue. But I'm talking about man management issue, you know. He hasn't done it well. The management issue. Say maybe an hour out. Because of this and that of me for some time no me fair one. And nobody maybe for 2-3 games one punishment, you know, higher day. So that it will stop others from doing that. But at any time he's giving a chance to my Blasters coaching, you know. But so we the production way if you for this and but also no form magician. Until come here nana kubu sam ama ese ni nkasa efa eduro sam o football mu ala pe yema chuma kwa ba happy 90.9 FM so ye ku karaji abi abakode ne ko kwanda ma bi ene ye bibi ye na dimu na ne se jadwin chire kakra awo efa eye dudu ni nduro sam o football mu nana eye adwuma eno eye adwuma enu sempa eye adwuma football o be ka say adwo enye adwuma football mu no ni panu ku na ni panu oni bi oka because when you talk about the spiritual aspect that adwo for mu pa because the first time local become fantu be yes near na ko musa be bi mo ti ma friend ema we kama dama K5 e be di matem na ne man ko yema kotokofo na on be pa cho ono ankasa edna mi sem eto eja e pa cho what he did they no go he better apologize now actually because things are going to go good for them things start to go good for them na club no I say ajuma ye see we be say when you talk about the Ghana ha Oma your sports Omajinia you are not one of you are number one of them to count movie. It is we share no performance now we ready to know for high China. She can send you to the Juma to do something about it whereby say your name will come down. She also will bring up. And I say ye me no ye all stay in the same place. I said yeah. Yevan said, it's like ball. Maybe put the shame boy 7 ball. Would they make my chum? I should go fine. Because me 7 position, make cross of it is to be a man and a woman. If I have my opponent, that the opponent, you know, if says so only one and I'm able to position. So also only one and I'm able to position. Now, be a let's be a metal bench. I can even send you to the Juma. Say, Nana. Yeah, never put it on bullying. And if it's all you need to see, may set you for where your program. May the you know be after no one can say, no, I see. We are to ask you for my men, which for my jama. Now, we say football cost scientific. Yes, scientific method say the winning game. Player performance cost so. And Sunday man, and yet you may be. But you are not saying.
What is the idea?
Football now going to be scientific.
Sir,
and then you nim dear, the year grown a couldn't nim. So we need match a hunim dear. And yes, sir, a year did you be never born from an eye?
Mammy got the Mitro. Chair, Obicature said football cost statistic in a year, and did you nima? Mammy got the Mitro. Now, your football wake up, the next South Africa, for the Obita Jolaka. Oh, no, but you'll be to a friend become just no angel. No friend becomes Senna. One I walk away, so soon we tell you 2 goals. Now, Obacha Malam will be enough Santa Abugo Nate. Now, Bakobetaba. Now, the Bebano, Omba, you said you're a captain, ever all man more, you panic, all my different person more panic, you know, because that deal we need go. As a major need go. Now, the cat asks Mechanic Kumase, our year, President America, the children maturity. Nay, young more no, and I'm a cat asks them, and the team goes straight away. Oh, and a born a drum. What do you position met to a tour? Say, we position, or go to a crowd, I know ya. We see born ma on his show. We am a good idea. And I said, Tabby, every old group balls our performance, you can never perform good. What I say, Nina, a group. And I was a good match. You say, are you footballers? If you do park as well, no money, things are going wrong with him. That means there's something wrong somewhere. So, Yedi is also a piece of a bocadia, and it can always add dinner, and as the liver be award, sending your admin. We can do something whereby she also can get angel, and people will see that. Maybe you wait and I wait and yes, I near Mano. No, I will say, now who cries out Casaka by 2014 World Cup, Umax Ronaldo, and Moboni be so boy, and see Simon any football. The Mitchell, see. The child you win a different car. Program, you know. Me say, we will not call, say, on much sports for no. Me say, I'm going to interview, and we take away the sports. Me here, sharp back, go show me, you know. On me, interview in Namcasa, no. There were cousin, and so send me up with your back home, and I snap me, you know, as I be shot, I could send me snap back home. Now, some said, very true, Jano. Obedient, what yet said, I let sell the side of the mammy. Never did Kaka so many no injury. Now, Cassa, the Amadame Wojma. Now, some said, brother, I tell my chairman, dear near. Or just some master my cane, so no mamma catching catches and never with the beer here. A better my Wojma. But, then I say, yeah. I don't see the family play what he can play. I did have a family for your Wojma Kaya, or be a Christo for. It will be a name. What I say. Now, some say, brother, who told one friend, number who can let be a person of Frenzy, a sportsman. Now, my papa friend said, number 2, yes, go with them say, no. I have to call before people can hear me on the Happy FM. If I didn't call, how can people hear that you are with them say and say? It's what do you mean? What name go with them? Madro Coffee Coffee in your aqua. Me uni enemy, but Coffee Coffee in your unia. It's a clear, the way Yama Nezan, Jana for beer one by no. Because for me, when I said, if it is possible. Naka and to fight, you know. I put on my Facebook. One of them made a call for framing. 4 million of flow. Yes. 10,000, 10,000 home. One thing, you have 2 beds a week, and I'll go pay and send you 2 items to more benefit. Champagne. Champagne. Ah, my good man. Move to Museum. Move up with the 2. Now, 3 year Museum, now we are there. She has 5 in this square. You have to know with the public lady. My teacher and the Gumboto. No, we have put them come and watch this something called Radio Super to be. I'll do it my work in good way and good possession. And I said, both of us are back, come up. You know, you are the one who teach me the English, you know. Speak English, man. That's why you understand. I'm very happy to over that. We are by the side of how did you want it? We're so that happy. Sports. The romance sports. More feminine than a Kumutana Mudrim and Nudism. The Pagana blast out and the ball, Crucico. Now, you need to pay because they were saying. What is you need to pay a saying? Ethiopia, a boy, saying. Oh, and a man. A weekend in elbow, 18th. 18th, yeah. I call 18th, yeah. Yeah, aye.
say no waka na me fa imagine the date no issue.
Okay.
All
right, yeah, about
if it's the
Friday, we're from Friday. Why?
Yeah, Friday.
Okay. All right. Nana Kuku Sam saying, because you do the football Mancasa. And to be our cousin, India, only the Oka.
Bring me wrap up in Temna. Me, Juju, any superstition in football, and you might do Capra because me this a football, a grow. Now, I better than business. Never done any business. No, a movie stand. Anything over a team. I employ the services of a professional or a coach. So I'm teaching Colano and the airport school teacher in a chair idea. They got try exams. No be the first, no be the fifth, no be we are. Then the first a drone or the first and got to tell you a professional or tell you now the adrenal and the mindset. You're sure anything. Then they said that the Warbeck and now pray. Obeka say Obemiyan and like I said no I'm moving on here because Obemiyan by mid of the season last season or by Danny Warbeck applied 2 times down and Obeka say because Obe price wa bibi kito na pra or why surgery mienu in this week just why mienu on the ankle yeah because I need surgery of course on the ankle Obe show me to say Kelvin De Bruyne
but like I said Warbeck no prepare
good. But no, okay, Kelvin De Bruyne, and because Bernardo Silva, and Riyad Mahrez or Bayenti or Pramatisia, Masiti Kwabwa, who if you put Kelvin De Bruyne has been their best player last season, or no teacher passes Shabudu, and no him, but his absence is not being felt because I think Mahrez is special 1 tour or the Aguero. No, me this another.
I come Master Sabri when I mean Samra Sabos. Master, Yakwe, in some Kubai, if you can say Kanya Susukra. Kuriasa mo want to be ma and more last one for say a whom and I should more do tea and also a mamma Bomagana. Young Comas.
The church I agree with you. I say it's a very issue. And the issue to even to merit discussion on YouTube. It is something that should never even say we will see a time on it. If somebody is going to make it's as simple as that. Why are we insinuating? In fact, we are not being fair to Kojo Samoa and the Ayew family at all in this matter. Because the day any in your Jordan, Emma Bonti McCarthy. Could someone names so or McCarthy was in my injury, coach me to me. As someone now to a trap.
I'm for so cat and on pray.
And your mom from Dominica Canon as tea.
So I want to miss in tea.
And you know, tea. I mean, you need substitute for Kojo Samoa. On money and near my wall.
About 4 years.
JJ, and in your Jordan, young from your ball. So why is it that anytime we have a problem, we have a creative problem? Yeah. I mean, we are not being fair. We are not being fair. Because you are playing the selection, what fair players. Unfortunately, one of them, I say, coach, my injury. It ends the matter.
Max, there's sadness, sir. Oh, when you need to be independently verified. Say, and the quality no credit. I'm going to say, Bodin. Why should you even go to the extent of verifying? No, why should you even go to the extent of verifying say you're bad? As I'm coming to myself. Say, say, Niswa dia. Say, Max, who's a pride? We don't verify so pride as pride. What you say? But that's superstition. Yet to be verified. Maybe say, Minya, before I conform my verify.
I don't even want to go to the.
As you body per dinkel, when are you?
When are you want to go even into that thing you call superstition? Indeed. You have said it. Maybe tears is here. So be na in fact, so ni pan kwa yemi o do ko sunya one day mi boko. Me nyame bio. O ja say ntime no me fama dwen ko obi na yemi obi na
society is so man so.
Yes. And I'm saying is it even contributes to the retarding of our progress.
Society.
What I say because a breeding laziness. What I say, or one or reserve when I mean, you'll be there, Yemen. No, or to unpaid maybe, be a small compared money.
are we giving currency to some of these things? I don't Kodia Samoa ultimate bra. Kodia Samoa ultimate bra. Anna the day ultimate bra. Jordan ultimate bra. Emrebia Jordan.
In fact, the day you call West Ham, the first game of the season against Chelsea, or prayer and carry and no or West Ham. And no one want to mean a debut, and also because we've been
Sonny Yakuba, Akota, Burkina Ya,
Ultimate
Mefi, Obina Yano. I didn't get a players now, Moses Yan, or Mufi said, Sonny Yakuba, editing to Jobina Yanisa. I mean, I didn't Sabi, idea and Yansasem say so. And Yansasem, because it cannot be scientifically proven. And Yadia, would you want a year? And Yadibia, I was a Yadia cost too much.
But dear, who say a coach of the Black Stars, Pravi, actually, technical report to say, players need to do.
What is the meaning?
What is black magic?
So, what is his definition of black magic? Black magic, anything? What is his definition of black magic? What did he see?
I saw him I don't know what
you are saying as an answer on the Nekasa.
No, was Kuko.
At best, he was hallucinating. One can say, I'm not copying whiskey, be out. And now, or Nina one, or and I say, because Okabiano, no elaboration, no proof, nothing. Okabiano, I mean, and kind of when it just answered who was Ghana for. What do I say? Now, Sanima William contributed largely to your downfall. And says here, give you currency to it. Could just some work, it ends there. Okay. And ended, could just some more beating up. Even Obayan one, the first training of the massacre. I mean, injury there, it's associated with every professional footballer. Injury.
Occupational hazard.
Injury, and it can come anytime, any day, any moment. You can get injury. Max, Shobit Anthony Martial, while losing the place of France national team for a long while, one World Cup, he's been crying about it. And now when I couldn't say, a friend say, Ombe Bob Bimono, was our preview. And so make us say, Ebia, Ulubino, or Moyen. I mean, sometimes there's a point in this. We have to be very serious in this country. Some of these things.
But I feel for that youth.
Seriously,
we are demonizing them.
Of course, so much unfair to them. So much. We have not been fair to them at all. Now every misfortune, every sibling side, they are on one. And you don't even have proof. And now, sure, I do that I can. I can't say, and I proof in your, and I went to your can't say proof in your 10 days. You will had to say.
You cannot
you put allegation on you, and then fuel it. You be fuel it. What do you want me to say? Oh, me, and you're creating fun, and you're creating fun. Oh, one of what you are just saying.
But suddenly, Miss Sunday will. So because some two sons in the crowd, immediately take action.
You take action immediately.
Men, yes, any part radio who here, I
was saying, the fake the idea to Facebook. Fifitaki, in an interview, say they have referred the matter to their lawyers. Immediately, he has pulled it down and apologized. I'm not crucifying Tofik. He might have forgotten the sources somewhere. Maybe it has failed him. Maybe the person.
When you fail, the
person could not substantiate the matter. You can prove it, but the point is that because Fifitaki took immediate action.
Remedy.
And that is one thing that this is something that he failed to do and cost him so much. From day one, all allegations that were being leveled against you, what men take action, even the one pending against Songo and Abate, still pending. One take action.
And see, my point is, Ghana Hano, Mama, you're very careful, especially those of us in the media. It is very easy for you to accuse. Accusation there is so easy. It is very easy. It is very easy to put something on somebody. But maybe point is say the baby told something immediately. Take action because I happen to a lot of people. You damage you more. You damage you so much. Say, and you know, but you who in the public light as devils.
Who don't say you football?
That is. I don't want to comment on Oniko Kubu some interview. I don't want even to go there. May someone was someone. And you be a mission. Maybe some different. So I was trained about me some more. And I come in with the papa. But one how or no, or didn't do dear no didn't live no walker. It may mean to me Kabi. What do I say? But a bringer, miss, especially those of us here. Please, it takes a very long time and years. Sometimes liberals years before somebody can establish one reputation or another. It takes so much to build a reputation, but it takes so simple, 1 minute, 1 second. No one training, it's like using all your lifetime savings to put up a house, only for it to be said, say, it's issue 80. What is the year? Yes, several life in that is how reputation is. We have been so unfair in this kind of name calling against our youth. We have been so unfair to them. So sometimes I feel for Cesiano. It can even affect their psyche.
Of course.
It can affect their psyche. When the national team they see, what are the people thinking about us? Just say we are destroying them. In one way or another, we are destroying them. For no fault of theirs, or being one evidence, be I say, I use a no. But from nowhere, or be a candidate to I say, I'm sure. Not even these boys cry, or more a psychic cry in the national team is going to be destroyed. Now, you're not anything better from them again. Why are we doing this to ourselves? And to buy now. You level allegation now. We say in the panel, who confia no one now water, not just 1 year. Now, what say the panel? Now I had day. What does a more plan? I am simple, Obiapia. I will plan not what excuse me. I was happy. I said, coach, meet me on a prayer. Where I said, but also and I was happy. And I was happy. I didn't wait, was happy on your demo. Coach a fair player.
San Sophony, Phone, Afa, didn't say coach is now when I saw a prayer and the day.
Yeah, a young footprint. We are doing more especially good at all. Yeah, they are high drink as a pan said. Yeah, more. I was saying, Cassie, ye to me, a huna educational. Yeah, Naya, yes, so sort of Cassimandani issues. Because I'm not first comments because now we so effing. Age is a part of football. It is true. CNN will say we can just some about 90 minutes. The fact that we'll be born 90 minutes in a football match every year, and Chelsea player during the match. Maybe a typical example. Just last week, you name Popoba, Manchester United and Juventus. So born 90 minutes. But when we are so dream of Bob against Manchester City, when we are mobile, the first saw Bob year, and no the enjoy Mama Casabia or boy weekend, a born 90 minutes, and into a prominent and no Yadia else a argument. And it's also true, is that and so I can any speculations. And see, are you for minutes and minimum are you for to command? I said, even could just someone baby. There's another thing, Grandpa Mimi said, who's an superstition? Football superstition is part of it too. And many agencies ABI is only a part of the world. The only thing is that Obiani Nijidi, like Asabri rightly said, no. A friend that Kaku and Sam, only Gidi and any dear no. Obiani Nijidi, and Jobian your first year, and so the immediate time be because if the nipa no ye na say on farm me kan na say bia ebna wo so the on farm me how dia obi an ye beto am countless me ke beto am countless examples say Ghana ha no men 70 be hon ma ye ha na esi ye na ye kenkan ye follow football wa bro yan ka say na ba betra ha no say Ghana ha no na bia ya ko dressing room ni pie and na they say or per certain be on pie lasa e be than issue e wo ha no but there are players elsewhere big names are bit to abobodin elsewhere or mutidie no no obi wo no ma na gidie ne say
even sometimes anya gidie o obi any motivation opia lasa ne bogi ne so a that is the motivation na kotoko play be fe Joe Sam na blasters no muta no obedi ko so osu ni dan osu on na ye o substitute
okay
say Joe Sam ye warm up say ye o ba blasters bobo na Joe Sam sorry a warm up keke no no the whole stadium Alfredo oh a motivation and motivating oba so obedi deliver oba no be shegu wow enti obi o gba oba lasa ebi o se otumi ka chale ko se chale media be call lasa na me yabe enti munika na be je bed be interpret wa say o ye juju what type of life is that what sort of life is that
because you say they also balance way
brenya
ko juju I don't see that way me who say o the motivating no I just don't know about catch them say me dey me juju am here but me kan ya I see that as motivation or the motivating was say ya
office send the best man na win match
no kware uko dressing room be na ubona different routines am for you be o share the right host first as o share left host
Steve Gerrard Anfield Obano ni sa bo
maybe almost understand na say amatro welcome to
Anfield yes how do this happen
last person
what did say bo o dey say bo san wako
brenya mami mo
oni aduro
emerent ni ntimi nya ba mami mo just typical example na me ka say hanom a
yeah be no ko Shuman san na ba one of them
yeah players ni be obi an ni there for instance for instance John Terry say do bobo no e wa Chelsea team bus mu no ni did or one seat or na so ye no dey one try city bi aso omo the tape ni say friends and the songs rap now the rap is what's them be rapping 3 times then again our CD back up we and the almost CD before the match and obo match be our Stamford Bridge John Terry baby you parking the car no just transport na we are just na nyi ni gidi no even Gattuso during 2006 World Cup was what about a share no through the tournament and no the boy mami mo pempo sa ha coach na koye ya Carlos Belado de Argentina je World Cup 1986 World Cup odo ye coach krampo no okọ World Cup no ni normal odi koye no ebi enie ni players obani omo from say emobia any chicken enye say bia chicken yo ofi say chicken bad luck it was his belief or come at bia or come with a friend say a statue of the Holy Mary and to the extent that a maybe company team ball yeah on car say you for taxes you come really much I feel they do because since many drove for they are match to me say for taxes and kobo those are enforced superstition and beliefs. And I want to be about several examples. I'm not me ma. And I'm NAC about the movie. And surprisingly, yemo ya can't I need free. Or more cramp your fees or mona or me advance no. Crom yebi. And say be a bubble after they say, Mena media, me person be a man of peer last. That's what be added to my. There's nothing wrong with it. And so baby, color to embody the yellow card just because. Or person or no any peer every dressing room last emra during half time nani quali e prayer treating na ye nwie no yes the kind or see there be on peer ya me pie
na yin juju akade ma
no ni gidi enza ma me nwie last
you heard of still so
because African what
Mami mo dey talk okay so say
adro ni dey
okay say go coach ya I jantan goalkeeper 1990
adro ni dey
adro ni say nguma dey ai
na nguma dey no enye
o negative ni positive
dey na negative
wo ye tia me ama bone atum ye negative
ewiase nyame obo ni wiase no obo wiase ne ne bonsa mebo ya wo pa ka se onim bonsa mo fa so akobe bo
okay
onim bonsa mo fa
if
1990 sa Argentina for goalkeeper no uze so hwe omo matches a ombo penalties be 2 times ombebo bia na o 7 penalties in 2 match eye omo e de call manim ombebo we players nyina atwa mu se obo no chemfifi unim de na oye no odunso gu honum odunso no akasa na be kai na ne gidie ne se omo nyina atwa no odunso wiese a obe save and the toss one de call 1990 Copa America sa ko penalty says on no penalty shootout. And the football no matter even on me advance so we some of these things.
Okay.
And that is position.
But we shouldn't believe in Africa. No, that's what I'm talking about. That is the topic.
Mario Gomez.
We shouldn't do
national
that.
team on two national anthem.
Please, why are the okay? Men's match will be
okay.
There was a player who didn't do well if he started a match. Just let him come as a sub, and even after 10 minutes, and he'll deliver. Aite Clarkson. I mean, Masoka Dina.
Aite Clarkson.
Or see now all this that give an enquiry.
Yes.
All the 2 benches of both
yes.
Or be dia group.
Yes.
Eddie and Mausi. Good morning, Brenya. This is Abraphobia. I want to wish the special happy birthday to Master Gigi 205. Bro, I wish you long life and prosperity. Stay blessed. We free Abraphobia and Abba. Brenya, good morning to you and your team. Okay, no team owner should be allowed to be president of the GFA. Okay, Matthew, no so you do a very strong Max. Any pen from Bayna, Madame Sambai. Aha. Anything we see, actually, you have a truck, you made in so, and aha. You know, see, you call, actually, you have a truck.
Your pay TV shouldn't cost more than your rent. Your
pay TV shouldn't cost more than your rent. We like 3 times in the show.